Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube account to your Discord account. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go down here to your user settings. Then you're going to go to connections and you'll be right here. So as you can see, you can connect a bunch of these things. Well, you click on view more and then you select YouTube. After selecting YouTube, I'm not going to do that right now, but after you do that, your browser is going to open and it will pretty much just ask you to, log in with your email. And after you have done that, you will have right here a thing, like a block thing with your icon of YouTube, and you can turn that off or on. Basically what it does is if you turn it on, it shows your linked account, and if you turn it off, it does not show it. But anyways, as you can see, you have a bunch of options right here, and pretty much each one of these works the same. Your browser opens and you're transported to the login page. For the mobile version of Discord, it's the same thing. You just click on your profile and you're transported to the same site. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyways guys, have a nice day.